Hi divas, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a small DSW haul. If you love videos like these, welcome back to my channel. Hit like, subscribe. Let's go ahead, let's get started. Let me talk about something that I picked up that was so cute that I love from DSW Designer Shoe Warehouse. So right here, you girls, I have my small little haul from DSW. I love Designer Shoe Warehouse. They have them in the Midwest. They have the Designer Shoe Warehouse stores. They used to be like Parade of Shoes, but that store closed down. And now they have DSW Designer Shoe Warehouse. So I just picked up two pairs that I wanted to talk about today. Let's go ahead, let's get started. These are gonna be so nice. I'm really in the mood for, I keep saying on my channel, summertime and different items that I've picked up, handbags and shoes. I've just been in like a summer fashion mood for picking up. You know, every year you have to go ahead and refresh your items. You know, you pick up a few more little things here and there as far as handbags and shoes, your clothing, just to go ahead and refresh with the things that you already have and mix in. So here is my receipt from DSW. And I picked up a pair of, here they are right here, a pair of Birkenstock and a pair of Toms. So here is the lovely Birkenstocks that I picked up. I love this brand. I love Birkenstock shoes, mainly the sandals. I love the sandals and the slides that brand carries. And of course, Toms. I always go ahead and refresh my Toms every year and pick up a pair of those. So the colors that I picked up today are pretty neutral so that they can match the neutral handbags in my collection, like my Marc Jacobs mini tote grind right here. But sometimes you do want to go ahead and pick up some bright, fun colors. So let's start with the Birkenstock first. Oh my God, they came in at DSW. If you look at DSW online, they have all the lovely bright colors for Birkenstock. They have the pink, the blue, the yellow. So I did go ahead and just pick them up in a neutral black pair because like I said, I want to just have a pair that I can go ahead and wear with everything. And then I'm also going to go back and pick up some additional fun colors. But for right now, I picked up the classic black. And what's really nice about these is Birkenstock can get pretty expensive, but in the fun pair right here, in this material that's like the fun jellies, the fun pair. So this is the Eva. They call this pair the Eva. I think it's the Jose Eva, but I'm just gonna call it the Eva. And they have this pair in all different colors. Like I said, they have them in blue. They have them in pink. The pink, I'm gonna go back, you guys. I'm gonna pick up a few more. But for right now, I just wanted to pick up the basic black. They're so cute in this color. And they also sell them at, you see these everywhere this time of year. You're gonna see them hanging on the end corners of the shoe aisle. You're gonna see them at Nordstrom Rack. Just about every place carries the They come in for, you know, of course the different stores are carrying the spring and summer shoes for this time of year. So the Birkenstock are definitely gonna come in, and this is what they look like. And they're so comfortable. You just go ahead and slide your feet in them. So this is what they look like right there. They're marked Birkenstock. This is what the sole of them looks like at the bottom, right there. Now, the Birkenstock I love, but you can also go ahead and pick up the Birkies, which is a little bit more affordable. It's B-I-R-K-I-S, the Birkies. Or you can go ahead and if you don't want to spend for the Birkenstock, you can go ahead and pick up the Mias. So I have the Mias right here. So here are a pair of my Mias, and the Mias and the Birkies are very nice, fun summer shoes, just like the Birkenstock. They basically have them in the mules, in the slide style, or in the flip-flop style like my Birkenstock. So the Mias are going to be available at the stores right now in the flip-flops or in the slides. Here are just a pair of my Mias. Like I said, I like both. I like the affordable options, which is the Birkies and the Mias, and I like the Birkenstock. So, you know, just whichever one works out better is going to be nice to wear. So yeah, these are available online, or you can go ahead and pick them up at DSW, and either pair of the Mias or the Birkies or the Birkenstock in all different variety of colors. They just have a rainbow of colors at DSW, at Nordstrom Rack. They come in Marshalls and TJ Maxx as well. Okay, so now that we talked about the Birkies, let me go ahead and put the Birkies away. These are so cute. I'm gonna keep saying that. And here on the side of the box, it shows you all different types and styles of Birkies. You know what's nice too that I love? You girls know I love Doc Martens. The Doc Martens come in all different styles as well. The summer shoes as well as the winter shoes. So next, I wanted to talk about Toms. I love the brand Toms. Toms are such fun casual shoes. Toms are so comfortable. Oh my gosh, I don't know how else to explain the comfort level that you get with Toms for a pair of casual kick around. You know, sometimes you just want a pair of shoes to wear, you know, when you're going to the grocery store or if you're running out for a quick errand. So I did pick the Toms up in black as well, and here they are. They're so cute and they're so comfortable. Toms are so comfortable. I love that you get that little mark. That's where they put the logo for the Toms in the back of the shoe right there by your heel. They're so comfortable, and these come in all different styles, and they're just a comfortable, casual shoe. They're very comfortable for the season, and you're gonna get a lot of wear out of your Toms. I absolutely love the Toms, and like I said, they're just a very casual, comfortable, I guess canvas, this material. They're just such a nice summer shoe. So that's my haul, you guys, from DSW. I went ahead and picked up some spring, summer, casual summer shoes, the Toms as well as the Birkenstock. So I had fun talking about my casual shoes for summer and spring. Remember to like, comment, subscribe on my channel. Stick with me for more fun videos, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Everybody have a great day today.